Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to Chandbagh School. Dear students, this is grade 11 and lesson 13. In this, we are going to discuss the basic principle of electromagnetism. In this picture, you can see the diagram of the two applications of electromagnetism. One is electric bell and other is relay switch. These two applications may be discussed in later in detail. So now we will first discuss what is the basic principle of electromagnetism. For the basic principle, we need to discuss the magnetic field due to current carrying wire. So this is what we are going to do, and this is how we can say that a current carrying straight conductor creates a magnetic field lines of force that is circular and in a plane that is perpendicular to the conductor. So if the current is passing through the conductor, like the blue wire is a conducting wire, blue color line is a conducting wire, and the direction of the current is represented by the thumb arrow, then the magnetic field lines are in a circular position in red color, which is showing B magnetic field strength. So it means the magnetic field is produced around the current carrying conductor. For this reason, we will do an experiment is that magnetic field is you see produced. So we take a cardboard and we place a white paper on the cardboard, and then in the center we make a hole so that we can pass a conducting wire. So conducting wire has been passed, so and it is connected with the battery. So the current starts flowing from positive to negative. So the current is passing from up to down. With the help of the magnetic compass, when we draw the magnetic field lines, then the magnetic field lines are in a circular path. So you can see that the magnetic field lines are in a circular path. Okay, the direction of the lines of the forces can be determined with the help of the right hand grip rule. So this experiment shows that whenever the current is passing through the conductor and the direction of the current is given, then the magnetic field lines are produced. So these magnetic field lines are in circular path. Okay, so in the next you see apparatus, we can see that if the direction of the current is reversed, when the direction of the current is reversed because the battery terminals are reversed, now the positive is down and negative is up, then the magnetic field lines direction is also reversed. You can see in this. So the direction of the magnetic field lines is reversed, and the the because the current uh, is reversed already. In this, you see the direction can be determined with the help of the right hand grip rule. But remember the you see magnetic field strength around the conductor, it depends upon the amount of current or strength of the current. If the current is increased, then the magnetic field around the magnetic field strength around the conductor is also increased. You can see that when the current is increased, the magnetic field strength around the conductor is also increased. Okay, so now this is the how we can find the direction of the magnetic field lines, circular magnetic field lines around the conductor. If we hold our if we hold the wire, straight wire, in our right hand in such a way that thumb is in the direction of the current, like in this picture, the thumb is in along the direction of the current in upward direction, then the curling fingers around the wire will be showing the direction of circular magnetic field, like in this direction, that is in anti-clockwise direction, if the current is going in upward direction. If the current is reversed downward direction, then the magnetic field lines, and then our thumb will be in downward direction, and the magnetic field lines will be in clockwise direction. So this is how we can find the direction of the magnetic field lines around the current carrying conductor. Okay, now there is another topic which is very important, that when the two wires are closed, the two straight wires are closed together and the current is passing, then what will be the effect of these two magnetic field if they are placed, the two wires are placed in the vicinity of two magnetic fields? So definitely there will be the direction interaction of the two magnetic fields. This is what we are going to determine, that what kind of interaction of magnetic field will be. So now in this picture you can see that there are two wires. In one wire the direction of the current is in upward direction, and the other wire the current is in downward direction. So according to right hand grip rule, the wire figure A having the magnetic field lines in anti-clockwise direction, and the figure B, due to the current in opposite direction, downward direction, the magnetic field lines are in clockwise direction. So two wires are bring close to each other, and the wire are shown with the help of the dots or cross. The dot shows that the current is going downward, so the magnetic field lines will be in anti-clockwise direction, and the cross shows that the magnetic current is coming upward out of the paper, and the circular magnetic field lines will be you see in clockwise direction. So there will be a resultant pattern of these two magnetic fields when the two wires are placed very close to each other. Then in case of the opposite direction, the current one wire is going downward and the other wire is in the other wire current is going upward, then the pattern B will be the resultant pattern of the two magnetic field lines. In this case, in the center, the magnetic force lines will be in supporting each other, parallel to each other. So when they are parallel to each other, there will be a strong magnetic field between the two wires and a weak magnetic field out of the wire. So the strong magnetic field will push the wires outward. So there will be a force of repulsion. In case that when the two wires having the same direction of the current, suppose the current is coming you see upward, then the magnetic upward or downward, so then the wire actually will be having a force of attraction, because the inside the between the two wires there will be a repelling magnetic field, and outward there will be a strong magnetic field outside of the wire. To magnetic field will be strong, so the resultant pattern will become like this in the pattern A. So in this case the there will be a force of attraction, so it will be felt that the two wires are attracting each other. But in case of pattern B, it will be felt that the two wires are repelling each other. Basically wires are not repelling, but due to the magnetic field interaction of the two magnetic field due to the current in two wires, In pattern B, there will be a strong magnetic field inside the area of the two wires, and so this strong magnetic field will push the wires outward, uh, showing that the two wires are repelling each other. And in case of pattern A, the both wires having the same direction, so the inside there will be a repelling field opposite to each other, so the field will be cancelled, but the outside field will remain and support each other in such a way that the wires will be pushed inside, so that it is felt that the two wires are attracting each other. So this is the resultant of the thank you very much. In this lesson we have actually gone in detail of the basic principle and its impact. So in the next lesson we will be placing this conducting wire in the magnetic and other permanent magnetic field, and the current will be passed through the conductor, and we will discuss what kind of force is produced on the conductor. Thank you very much for this lesson.